Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ferrarucci. So, it's Independence Day in my country, Nigeria, and our color is basically green and white. So, I did a makeup as a tribute to my country. So, first of all, I did a leafy eyeshadow signifying the earth and a kind of way to wish Nigeria prosperity and growth. And my lip is basically the flag, green, white, and another green. So yes, I am loving the look. So it turns out this is the first look for my Independence Day series coming up on my channel throughout the month of October. So stay tuned. First of all, if this is your first time seeing this pretty face or visiting my channel, come on, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. Also turn on your bell notification so when I upload videos like this, you won't miss out. Okay? And if you do enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment. It will be well appreciated. Let's get right to the video. So as usual, I'm going to start by priming my face, and for this I'm going to use a statement primer. Then I'm going to go in with a foundation from Motec. I'm just going to apply this all over my face with my beauty sponge. So because of the dark spots on my skin, I just feel better applying 2 layers of the foundation. But you can go with one though. It actually pretty covers a lot. So next I'll be highlighting my face with a concealer from Ferrarucci, and I'll be blending this in with the same beauty sponge I used for my foundation. So next we go in for the contouring. I would always recommend using a foundation for this process rather than a concealer, because with minimum blending the foundation just sits beautifully on the skin and makes the contour look more natural. Like, it doesn't look artificial, it looks like you tanned your skin. So next I set my contoured face with a finishing powder from Milani, while for the highlighted part I use a loose powder from Airspun. So it's time to fill in my brows. I'll just apply a little bit of shading. I don't want something too intense or dark, with little or no concealer, just to fill it up a little bit. So next I'm going in with a gel liner from Zaron in the shade green, which is going to serve as my base for the eyeshadow. Since the eyeshadow I intend to make it green, I just felt it's ideal better to use a green base. So I'm using this eyeliner to sketch out the leafy pattern, if you catch my drift. Next, I'm going in with an eyeshadow from Be My Valentine V Beauty palette. I'm going in with the shade green. Initially, I just wanted to go in with one shade of green over the base, but I just felt it looked better using a lighter green in front and a darker green at the tail. So I changed to that. I felt it looked better. What do you think? Then I used a white eyeliner from NYX Jumbo Pencil to line the edges and the outer part of my eyeshadow and also draw the pattern in the middle. For my under eyes, I'm going in with a black gel liner from Riot just to smoke the look out a little bit. That touch. The next, I go in with a volumizing mascara from Zaron to comb out my lash and make it all dark before going in with my falsies. While for my under eyes, I decided to go in with the darker green shade of eyeshadow I used at the tail, and for the middle, I did a touch of gold. Yes, good pigments. I cannot possibly be the only one who tears up after applying lashes. I do not know how to get over that. Well, that's that. For my lips, I'm going in with a mixture of green and white from Zikel Cosmetics. All products used in the creation of this look in this video will be detailed in my description box down below. So finally guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it because I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you did. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. Also, turn on your bell notification so when I upload amazing videos like this, you will not miss out. I really look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye for now.